Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate tax reporting with CoinTracker, full guide step by step clearly. To activate tax reporting with CoinTracker, begin by visiting the CoinTracker website. Log into your existing account or create a new one if you don't have an account yet. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard. On the left-hand side, find and click on the Tax tab. In the Tax section, you will see options for generating reports. Select Generate Tax Report to start the process. Choose your preferred tax year from the drop-down menu. Next, select the type of report you require, such as short-term, long-term, or both. CoinTracker will now compile your transaction data. This process may take a few moments depending on the volume of transactions. Once the report is ready, you will receive a notification. Download the report by clicking the provided link. The report will be in a downloadable format for your convenience. Review the report to ensure all data is accurate and complete. If you notice any discrepancies, return to the dashboard to edit your transactions. You can adjust any misclassified transactions in the portfolio section. After making any necessary changes, regenerate your tax report. Repeat the download process as outlined previously. For additional assistance, visit the Help Center or FAQ section on the CoinTracker site. This ensures you stay compliant and prepared for tax season. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.